Hello friends, welcome to my channel, myself Parag Jambulkar. In last video, we have seen superscalar architecture. So one of the limitation of superscalar architecture is we use multiple pipelines, but if instructions are dependent on each other because of many reasons, maybe because of data or resource, any other resources, so we cannot execute those instructions together. So in this video, we will see example for dependency and how this dependency are resolved in superscalar architecture. So here we are adding 4 numbers. For adding 4 numbers, instructions are written in 3 ways. So this is the first way to add 4 numbers, second way to add 4 numbers, and that is the third way to add 4 numbers. Here we are using 2 instruction pipelines, and there are 5 stages for that. So one is instruction fetch, another is instruction decode, third is operand fetch, fourth is instruction execute, fifth is write back. So 2 instruction pipelines will be there and stages can be overlapped. So first 2 instructions will be given here, then next 2 instructions will be given. So this instruction will be in a decode phase, so this third and fourth instruction will be in a fetch stage. So initially 2 instructions will be given, then next 2 and next 2. Now we'll see the dependency. Look at this. So basically we are adding 4 numbers. So these are the registers, R1, R2 are the registers. So we are loading value in this R1 register from this location, and we are loading another number from this location to R2. Now these 2 instructions are independent of each other, so we can execute them together. While again we are adding the value which is already loaded in R1 with this number, means number in the from this location. Again we are adding the value in this register R2, that is this value. Again we are adding it with the value which is saved in this location. Again these 2 instructions are independent of each other, so we can execute them together. Now for 6th instruction we are storing the value of R1 here, but before that 5th instruction should be executed. So we cannot execute 5th and 6th instruction together. So we have to execute 5th instruction first, and then we can execute 6th instruction. Now look at this. Here we are using only one register, that is the R1. So we are loading value from this location to R1, and then we are adding value from this location with the value stored already in R1. But we cannot do these 2 instructions, we cannot execute these 2 instructions together. Why? Because for the instruction, that instruction should be already executed. For this instruction should be executed already, and like this. So all the instructions are serial one. So here we cannot take advantage of 2 pipeline superscalar architecture. So each time we have to use only single pipeline. Now look at this example. Here again we are using 2 registers, R1 and R2, but if we fetch the instruction in this sequence, so again we cannot use 2 pipeline superscalar architecture. Why? Look at this. Here we are loading value to R1 from this location, and second instruction again we are loading value from this location. As this instruction cannot be executed after along with the first instruction, so this instruction should get executed, then only you can execute this instruction. So we can not launch or fetch these 2 instructions together. In the same way, we cannot launch these 2 instructions together. Why? Because we are taking value from this location to the R2, and again after that we are adding the value from this R2 along with value stored in this location. So again we cannot launch or we cannot execute these 2 instructions together. So again here in this example we cannot take advantage of 2 pipeline superscalar architecture. We can do like that. We can fetch first and third instruction together, while you can fetch second and fourth instruction together. Then again 6th instruction should be done only after the fifth instruction is executed. So then we have to execute this instruction, and after that we can execute this instruction. But we cannot fetch these two instructions together, and again we cannot fetch these two instructions together. So friends, I hope you like this video. If yes, then click on like, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get notifications of my next videos. So stay connected. Thank you.